Welcome to 783 Mount Pleasant Road in the quaint and highly desired village of Mount Pleasant. Situated on over 1 acre of well-manicured property and no rear neighbors, offering a beautiful and very well thought out open concept main floor plan featuring 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, completely finished lower level, oversized double car garage, wonderful primary bedroom suite, as well as the backyard, perfect for entertaining. This property is full of desirable features and pride of ownership is evident throughout, offering a wonderful floor plan, a beautiful backyard, and situated in an amazing community. If you've been looking for a wonderful family home, do not miss this opportunity. If you like what you've seen and you want more information, be sure to give Ryan a ring or reach out to your realtor today.